Hi creepy creatures, I'm Tabby and welcome to my coven. Today I'm doing 4 different Halloween makeup looks that are just quick and easy. I am not a makeup artist, so in no way is this a tutorial. It's mostly just me mucking around and trying out some new things. This first look I've already got my foundation base on, and yes, I know my face looks a little bit orange. Well, I haven't gone out in the sun in a long time, so my skin is a lot paler than it probably should be. And I've been trying this new concealer and I think it might be slightly too dark, but it is what it is. So I'm just speeding through by putting some eyeshadow on my face. I'm using the lingerie collection Naughty Nights by Rude Cosmetics. The purple shade is called Your Turn, the orange shade is called Tease Me, and the green shade is called Blindfold.
Perfect.
For these webs, I'm using the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner. This is what I usually use to draw on my eyebrows with as well. Just putting on some mascara. And my fake eyelashes are by a brand called Ardell. They're not super fancy or anything like that. In fact, I think that they were quite cheap for 4 in a packet. Putting on my regular face, blushy, contoury sort of stuff. My highlighter is by the brand W7 and it's called Glow Commotion shimmer highlighter stuff. I think this was like $7 just from Chemist Warehouse. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Lime Crime Velveteen in shade Psycho, which is a very vibrant orange, and just putting some eyeshadow on my neck as well for no reason in particular. Actually, I think it ends up looking kind of strange, but it's fine. Now I had these little spider rings that were from the $2 store or somewhere like that, and I'm just cutting off the ring part, and then I use eyelash glue to make them tacky and I stick them to my face. I've also put some clips in my hair to kind of match with the green and purple. I didn't have any orange clips though. And voila, this is my really quick and easy spider look for Halloween. Oh, ignore the eyeliner, I kind of botched that. Now I'm using a white foundation by Beauty Creations. Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage. And I got it in the lightest shade that they have. I didn't want to get full goth white makeup, just in case I ever wanted to actually wear this out, and I don't think I'd be comfortable wearing full white, like clown face goth makeup, so I've got this instead, and I'm just setting it with the BYS HD Micro Finish powder. Again, this is all just really cheap stuff you can get from Chemist Warehouse or somewhere like that. However, this powder, I don't usually use loose powder, I usually use compacted powder, and when I put it on, it kind of went everywhere, and it showed up in pictures with flash, and later on I think you can see that I look into my phone camera and I can see dots on my face that I can't see in the mirror, so the camera is picking up on things that I can't actually see. So I tried to wipe that away, but that was quite frustrating. The pink colour that I'm using is called Corset from that same Rude Cosmetics palette. Then I get the BYS Flash Glitter Cream palette, and I just put the pink one over the top. Although this pink isn't glittery, it doesn't really have glitter specks in it, but it's like little pink sand granules, and that also made the pink underneath wet, like it has this wet texture to it, and it didn't dry. And as I said, I'm trying new things. I haven't used this before and I was not expecting that, so it made it a bit difficult to put eyeliner on, and later I put stickers on and they don't stick that well, but that's okay, they lasted a while. Now I'm just using the BYS Essentials Contour Brown Eyeshadow Palette, and I think I'm just using the darkest brown and really lightly putting that where I would usually do like a contour, because I didn't want it to be too warm toned for this look. I thought it might clash with the white face. These are the Magic Marking Stickers by House of Inferno. Usually if I wanted it to stay on all day, I would put eyelash glue on the back of it and make it tacky and let it stick that way as well, but just for this look, I just put them on as they came. Now I'm just using my Venus Immortalis eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using the grey colour called Ash to kind of like spread out that lip area, and then I'm just using Lime Crime Black Velveteen, called Black Velvet lipstick. And now this is something that I've not done before, but I was trying tooth polish for the first time. So you dry your teeth and then you put it on like nail polish, but I've never used it before, so I did a couple of layers and it made it go really like chunky and uneven and really strange. And this is by the brand Mehron, I think is how you say it, M-E-H-R-O-N, Tooth FX, just in the black colour. And this is the finished look for that. I put my hair in pigtails and put some pink clips in, and I thought that I looked pretty cool. As you can tell by the way I was singing. So this one, I didn't really know what to call it, so I just called it pumpkin. It's not really a pumpkin look, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm just using that Maybelline gel liner to outline, and I thought I'd put some squiggles just because. And then I fill it in with the gel liner as well, kind of creating a base, but I do go over it. So now I'm taking that same Black Velveteen lipstick by Lime Crime and putting it on my lips, but as well as filling in the entire smile line. Then I'm just using again that Rude Cosmetics palette and using the Tease Me orange, but putting a lot more on this time and making it darker, more pigmented. Just doing circles around my eyes. And then I'm also creating like a skull sort of makeup nose. Skull nose makeup? You know what I'm trying to say. And I even used the lipstick to go over that so that the black would match. Then I'm just using the orange to kind of go around the edges of the mouth. I think this look was the quickest one because I didn't really think about it too much. I just chucked it all on there. And there's not much to it. Got my eyelashes on and I've just put my hair up in this little ponytail on the top of my head, kind of. Why did I do that? I guess pretending that that was my stem, my pumpkin stem. And for eyebrows, I just did 2 little X's. And that's it for this one. Probably, well, definitely the easiest one to do.
Perfect.
Now this next one, I'm doing the white face again, except I don't use the powder this time. I just used my regular pressed powder, even though it's coloured to my skin tone. But I wanted to use the white foundation, but also like warm it up a bit. So I also end up using my regular face contoury blushy stuff. I'm drawing on my eyebrows, and I did that again with that Maybelline gel liner stuff. And I'm putting on red eyeshadow in the colour Make Me Blush. Putting a lot of it underneath my eyes as well, and just kind of trying to blend it out. Now I'm going to use the Meron Tooth FX polish again, except this time it's in blood red colour. So I did a few layers of that, except not as many as I did with the black. Then I'm going in with the Lime Crime Velvet colour in Eclipse, which has a really cool metallic shine to it. I didn't wear fake eyelashes with this look, and you'll see why in a second. Now I am using the Meron Coagulated Blood Gel. So you open the lid and it's got this little brush in it, and it kind of looks like jam. And I just decided to put that underneath my eyes and around my mouth as well. The camera angle is so bad, and I apologise. But when I was doing this, I didn't realise that the closer I put my head to the mirror, the more out of shot I was. And a lot of the makeup I was doing was quite close to the mirror. But that's my bad. So this stuff doesn't dry. Like, it dries a little bit, but it stays looking all clumpy and thick, which is really cool. It ends up making it look all scabby, like partially dried blood. And then this is the finished look with the teeth and the blood and all of the red. And yeah, I really like this one. If you want to see more of my face, follow my Instagram. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good Halloween.